With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, so the question is, in an experiment, a boy plots a graph between V max square and A max square for simple pendulum for different values of amplitude, where V max and A max is the maximum velocity and maximum acceleration respectively. He found that the graph to be straight line with negative slope, making an angle of 30 degree when the experiment was conducted on the Earth's surface. And when the same experiment was conducted at height h above the Earth's surface, the line was at an angle of 60 degree. Then the value of h will be. So we know that the simple pendulum performs SHM, and in SHM, the V max is given by, that is equal to A omega, or you can also write it as V max square will be equal to A square omega square. Similarly, acceleration maximum is given by, that is omega square A. So again, if we taking the square, it will be omega to the power 4 A square. Now the graph is plotted between V max square and A max square. So the slope will be given by, on dividing V max square with A max square. So it comes out to be here 1 upon omega square. And if we further solve it, omega can be written as 2 pi by t, and the time period is written as, for simple pendulum, that to be L by G. So here on comparing, we get omega will be equal to under root G by L, or you can say omega square will be equal to G by L. So that means slope will be equal to L by G. The slope of the graph will be equal to L by G if we put over here, right? So we have given that in first case, the slope is 30 degree when the experiment was conducted on the Earth. Theta is 30 degree. So we can write here L by G is equals to 10 30. Or you can say G will be equals to L by root 3. That is assumed to be first equation. And when the same experiment was conducted at H, then slope comes out to be at a height H. Then slope comes out to be theta equals to 60 degree. So that means L by G dash will be equal to 1060. That means 1060 is, sorry, here it will be not 1030 is 1 by root 3. So G comes out to be L root 3. And here G dash comes out to be L by root 3. This is root 3, 1060. This we assume to be second equation. Now, if we divide second equation by first equation, so here we get G dash upon G will be equal to 1 by 3, which implies that G dash is equals to G by 3. Right, now we know the formula for gravity at height is given by G upon 1 plus H upon R का whole square is equals to G by 3. So cancelling G by G here, we get 3 is equals to 1 plus H upon R whole square. Taking root on both sides, we get root 3 minus 1 is equals to h upon r. So h will be equal to 0.732 times of r. So that means the correct option of this question will be option C. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.